Are you tired of hunting for the contact form block in Odoo's website builder? Learn how to drag, drop, and customize your own in under 4 minutes. We'll start by entering edit mode, then drag the contact block onto your page. After that, we'll customize the info and image and save. To get started, navigate to your Odoo homepage. Then, click on the website app to open it. In the top right corner, click Edit to enter edit mode. Now, from the Blocks panel, click and drag the Contacts and Forms block onto your page. Once it's on the page, choose the contact template you want to use from the selection. Now edit your information. You can start by adding your email address. Then add your contact number. And finish up with your address. You can also change the image or icon next to the contact information. Go ahead and click Replace. Then simply click on the image you want to use. When everything is set, click Save at the top right corner, and that's it. You're done. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.